Hi everybody, today I have a mask to show you. It's called I Do Care Disco Kitten Illuminating Diamond Peel Off Mask. And that's what it looks like. I got it from Ulta. It's $23 and it's from the brand, I think it's a brand, I'm not sure if it's a box, but it's called MEMEBOX. MEMEBOX. I've never bought from this brand before. It's called MEMEBOX. And I'm not sure if it's an actual subscription box that turned into, it's just selling its products on Ulta. But I just got the Disco Kitten mask. And it's a peel-off mask. The directions are: remove excess water after cleansing, apply a generous and even layer to skin with silicone mask brush, avoiding eyebrows and hairline. Leave on and relax for 20 to 30 minutes. Once completely dry, gently peel off from the edges of the face. Rinse off any excess with warm water and apply toner and moisturizer. So I already washed my face. I haven't put anything on it at all. And I do have a lot of dry skin through here, on my chin. I don't have a silicone brush, but I do have this Peter Thomas Roth thing that I got in a set of his masks, so I'll use that. And this is what it looks like. It's super runny, so be careful when you open it. I was expecting it to be a little thicker, so I'll just scoop that up. I don't want to waste any of it. I wanted to get a close-up of how pretty it is, though. Says to keep it away from your eyebrows and hairline. So here we go. I really like this mask applicator. The mask really has a floral smell, a fresh like floral scent to it. So it's a generous amount. I do have a lot of baby hairs on my face, so I'm just gonna pour a little bit on the... That's my only complaint about this mask applicator is it's hard to get into some products. These peel-off masks are usually take a really long time for me to dry enough to peel off. I don't know if anybody else has that problem or not. But it did say generous amount, so does look really pretty. And I'm just gonna put a little bit on my forehead. I don't want to get it too close to my eyebrows or my hairline like it says. Okay, that's as far as I'm gonna go. So I think I did do a generous amount. I didn't really go that far over here because I have a lot of peach fuzz and I don't want it to hurt. So that's what it looks like. And just like every other peel off mask, if you get any on your fingers, you could just roll it off. I'm just gonna let this dry on here and then I'll just peel it off and rinse it. So I will be back in 20 to 30 minutes, depending on when it's dry enough to peel off. So I'll see you then. Hi everybody. So it's hard to talk because it's drying, but it's been 30 minutes and it's pretty much dry, but it's still wet, tacky right here. You can see on my cheeks. So I'm gonna give it another 10 minutes and then I'll come back and see if we could peel it off. Hey everybody, so I think this is as dry as it's gonna get. This part still, you can see, it's still a little wet. It says to put a generous amount on, but I think it takes a lot longer. So now I'm going to start peeling it off from the edges. Yeah, see how it's still wet? It's still wet right here. But it doesn't hurt at all. It's really gentle. I don't really see anything on it. Just some peach fuzz. But yeah, this part I'm gonna have to wipe off with the damp cloth. But it's really gentle. It's not like those other masks. It's not like those other masks that just pull your skin. So I wiped the rest off. And I really like it. My skin looks brighter. And that dry skin that was under my chin and on my cheek, my skin feels super soft now. I would recommend it, but I think that doing it too thick, you're gonna have to wait like hours for it to dry enough to peel off. So that's the only thing I would say about it. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.